Hey guys, what's up? In today's Get Ready With Me video, we're going to be creating an affordable drugstore cool tone makeup look. I've had heaps of requests for not only more drugstore looks, but also more cool tone looks. So that's what we're going to be creating today. So first up, I'm prepping my skin using this Makeup Revolution primer. I do like this one for minimizing pores. I wouldn't say, it's the best thing out there, but it's pretty good for the price. Then for foundation, I'm going in with my all-time holy grail, most loved affordable foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and let me just tell you, this is magic in a bottle. If you are looking for something that's not only going to last all day, but something that's going to make your skin look perfect, really good coverage, it's going to cover everything like acne, darkness, rosacea, texture. It's not going to minimize pores, and something that's also going to last if you've got an oily skin type. Literally, this stuff does it all. I'm head over heels obsessed with it. If you haven't tried it and you're looking for something that's not going to break the budget, I really recommend looking this one up. Just try it. You'll thank me later, I promise. All right, now going in and filling in my brows quickly with this L'Oreal brow pen. I'm still not that much into brow pencils. I do like that this one's got a spoolie. It's a pretty good formula to use, but I'm still a powder or a pomade, hands down kind of gal. I just am, okay? Now prepping my eyes using this eyeshadow base. This is another one by Makeup Revolution. It's the eyeshadow something in core. I will link everything, will list and link everything down below, but this is honestly the closest dupe that I have found to the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot. It's the Eye Elements, that's what it's called. Pro Eye Elements. It's awesome. It will keep your makeup in place and it will stop creasing. It's great. Now another Makeup Revolution product. This is the Sophie X Makeup Revolution palette, and honestly she's done such a bang on job with this. So I'm first taking this sort of medium brown, working this one through the crease. Now I know it does start off looking a little bit like a warm tone look, but it's not. I promise we're going cool tone today. I'm just applying a transition shade down. It doesn't matter what kind of eyeshadow look you are doing. It is absolutely 100% crucial that you do lay down a really good transition shade. I'm also working with that one through the lower lash line, just smoking it all up. Now, believe me when I tell you, this is literally the easiest eyeshadow look ever. I'm now taking this shimmer from the palette. It's a beautiful cool tone. It's kind of like a gunmetal shimmer kind of a color, and I'm packing that one all over the lid just using a finger. It's kind of tricky because I got squinty little eyes to get it on the inner corner, but I'm just taking my time, really packing it on. Love the formula of these, love the way they wear, and love the way they blend. Like I said, they just did a really good job on this palette. Now to buff it all in, I'm just taking a clean blending brush, working it through the crease, and that's pretty much it. Now going in with this Morphe liquid eyeshadow. This is one of their liquid glitters. It was part of their holiday collection. It's still available on their website, and I'm popping that right on the inner corner just to add a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of a pop to this eyeshadow look. And honestly guys, pretty much that is it for the eyeshadows. How quick and simple, right? Now taking a gel eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal gel eyeliner. It is the blackest of all blacks. I absolutely love it, and it's also smudge proof and really long lasting. So using an angled brush, I am going to be going ahead and creating a wing with this one. Totally optional. You don't have to create a wing if you don't want. You don't even have to put eyeliner on if you don't want. You can keep the eye look really simple, but yeah, I wanted to go a little bit glam as per the usual, and so I'm doing a wing. Now going in with my favorite, one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm going to be applying a couple of coats of this on my lashes. Then I'm going to be popping lashes on, and then we're going to move back onto the skin. Now again, if you are looking for a really good quality, affordable concealer that's going to really correct and cover everything and also last all day without creasing or getting oily or, just wearing off, definitely hands down recommend this one. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's just incredible. I'm pretty sure it's actually Maybelline's best selling product overall, and I'm really not surprised by that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm pushing that one into the skin using a beauty blender. I've applied it underneath my eyes and also down the center of my face to sort of kind of highlight a little. This is the medium shade. I'm then taking a translucent loose setting powder, and I'm pushing that into the skin over the top of both the foundation and the concealer. This is the the best method if you are wanting your makeup to last really long and also to look super, super flawless. Pushing the powder into the skin, it just really minimizes pores, and it's nearly like it like locks down over top of the makeup and just stops it from going anywhere. Like, trust me, again, once you have done this once, you will never look back. Literally never look back. Now, another makeup reveal. I feel like this is starting to turn into a makeup revolution tutorial. I promise you it's not meant to. I've just been really loving testing all their products lately, and they're so affordable and such good quality. So I'm using their I think it's I Love Revolution bronzer. Again, I'll link it down below, but this one's really nice to apply. It's not patchy, and it's also really long lasting on the skin. So using that one on the hollows of my cheeks and also up around my hairline, just to make everything nice and tanned and sort of bronzy. Now going in with this blush by Colourpop. This is one of the Bretman Rock collaboration ones. Absolutely still obsessed with this stuff. It's just so good. So applying that on the apples of my cheeks to warm everything up. And now I'm actually going to go in with some setting spray. Now, it's technically not Drugstore. This is the GERARD Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I do have a code that will get you 2 of these for $22, making them $11 each. So it's definitely Drugstore prices. But I'm actually setting the skin before going in with highlighter, because applying a highlighter over top of freshly applied wet setting spray makes your highlighter pop so much more, I've discovered. And it also helps it to last a lot longer on the skin. So yeah, going in and applying that. And I've spoken to you guys about this a million times before. If you're after a really good quality setting spray that's going to really lock everything down, this is my go-to. Now for the lips, I'm taking this Revlon Color Stay lip liner, and I'm going to be lining around the external perimeter of my lips, overlining a little bit through the Cupid's bow area, and then also filling in my lips, because I really want this lip look to last. If you do fill your lips in entirely with a lip liner before going in with a lipstick, it definitely makes it last a lot longer. Then finishing up the look with this pretty pink, this is a Colourpop lipstick. I will link it down below. I really do enjoy the formula of their lipsticks, and again, they are hella affordable. So yes, here is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me video. It's a super affordable, cool tone drugstore makeup look. If you do love it, let me know in the comments and leave me a thumbs up. And other than that, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.